ClickPOS is the best value point of sale system for your food business. It is being used by fast food, cafes, bars and restaurants. A typical fast food shop will have an iPad at the front counter for taking orders, a printer for order dockets and customer receipts, and a cash drawer. You may also integrate a recommended eftpos terminal so the sale price can automatically display on the pin pad. An additional printer in the kitchen for the chef to see all the orders. ClickPOS is easy to use, so it requires minimal staff training. Menu items can have price variance, just like this coffee with 3 different size prices. The add-on options are categorized for easy selection. The integration to eftpos makes the sale even faster. The price displays automatically ready for card scan. The printer prints customer receipt, eftpos receipt, as well as the order dockets. Delivery type defaults to the last selection, making ordering process a lot faster. For a telephone pickup order, simply enter the customer name. Select pickup time. Then park the sale, which means you have not collected the payment. When customer arrives to collect the order, use the QR code on the order docket to recall the order. Then process the payment. If you offer a table service, then use an iPad to take orders at the table. Just tap on the table number, then select items. Then park the sale. To add more items to the same table, repeat the process. Design your floor plan and add tables. Go to Settings, then Floor Plan. You can merge a table by linking the same table number, or add new table. Simply tap on the cell. Then select the table image. Link the table number. And preferred color. On your first login, you will need to build your menu. Let's add a sample menu item. Start off by adding a new category called Cakes. Tap on Settings, then Products. Tap the plus to add the Cakes category. And choose a color. Move the Cakes category to the top. Then add the new product. We will add a menu item called Triple Chocolate. Enter barcode. Then price. Then add an image. It is that simple. The product is now ready to be sold. ClickPOS also includes your own free online ordering, connected directly to the POS. Your customers can download the app on an Apple or Android device. This option will save you many hours spent taking orders on the phone. Customer selects items to order and pays. The order is instantly displayed on your POS. And you simply accept the order. And the order docket is printed. To download the ClickPOS app, use your iPad and tap on the App Store. Search ClickPOS, then download. Enter details into the free trial. An email will be sent to you for verification. Then simply use the login detail emailed to you to sign in.